how to create joint ventures. Joint ventures, what are they? A joint venture is simply a strategic alliance with another business that's not directly related to yours. Let's take, for example, you are a filmmaker. A joint venture could be done with a digital agency, someone who runs marketing campaigns. And what would happen is you would simply expose your customers to the digital marketing agency, and in return, they would expose their customers in the agency to your services. It becomes a bit like a more advanced referral, but it comes from a personal recommendation. It's a really powerful and untapped way to expand your client base. The double-edged sword to this, if you like, is that it's a benefit because the clients get exposed to something which will benefit them, i.e. ad agency, and their clients get exposed to video. It's a really cool strategy. Joint ventures are really effective. They take a bit of setting up, but they can be so powerful.